Hello and welcome back to GS Simple. In the preceding video I showed you how to import different types of shapefile data into ArcMap. The dataset that we are working with is the Dr. Snow's cholera data in London dating to the 1850s. And as you saw in the preceding videos, in ArcMap we added three layers. Base map is just a raster image representing the quarter of London where the cholera outbreak took place in the 1850s. And then we added a point shapefile representing the water pumps. We changed the symbology, and then we added our cholera deaths point shapefile. So we have points representing the location of the cholera casualties. We can zoom in with this tool, as you may know. And so we go back to the previous extent. Now we will inspect the cholera deaths attribute table. As you may know, shapefile data shapefile data go hand in hand with attribute table. An attribute table is a table containing information about our points, about the location that are represented by our points in this case. And so we can click with the right button of the mouse on the cholera deaths layer, and then we click on Open Attribute Table. We can slightly magnify this window, and so this is the attribute table of the cholera deaths dataset. As you can see, the number of rows is 250. Since we have 250 points in our dataset, so we have in total 250 location for which we know the number of cholera deaths, casualties. And so we have one row for each dot, and in our attribute table we have an FID, is an identifier, is a number going from 0 to 1 to 3 and so forth till 250, and each number is actually identifying each cholera casualty location. And then we have a field with the label shape, which is actually representing that this is a layer, is a point shapefile. So as you can see, point shows up in every field in this column. And then we have a third column with the label count, and in each row of this column we have the count of how many people at each location died developed cholera and then eventually died. And so we can see that we have different values from 3 to 1 and so forth. And so again, the attribute table contains information about the number of persons that died at each location, and each location in this point shapefile is represented by one dot. See you in the next video, where I'll show you how we can adjust and modify our cholera deaths point shapefile in order to have a better representation of the spatial distribution of the deaths. So I'll see you in the next video.